If you haven't got the time to come to a structured course, well, the great news is I've just developed this new 6-DVD set on how to use your camera professionally and to get really fantastic shots. It'll really revolutionise the way that you take photography. Have a look and see what's in the course. Now smile. Looking the other way and smile. And there we have it, a beautiful photo, a situational portrait. Have a look. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to do a fashion shoot. Now, one thing you'll have to watch when you photograph a dial, because these are shapes and they're forming art. When you're in M, you can change with my front roller, changes the f-stop, and it shows us over in the left-hand side where our blacks are. I wouldn't buy a fisheye lens because you only use them once in a blue moon. Now the exposure we want is probably about 45 seconds. What we're going to do is go through one at a time all the different things that you must have in a studio, and then we're going to do a bit of studio photography. And I'll bring that around to the front a bit. And you see it adds a huge difference each time we take it with that little bit of gold reflecting back. And look at places that you want to go and photograph. Okay, we're just taking from a slightly different angle now, and it's a very slow shot. Just looking just for an instant. So a 500th for the beach. But here we're going to do a night shoot. We've got our ISO set at 400. Now at f22, everything will be in focus. But if we want it to be frozen like we froze the car, well, it probably wouldn't look as good. And I'll also take one portrait. You might think, I'm not interested in landscape photography, but if you try it, it's fun. It's fun planning where to go, getting there, staying in a motel, getting beautiful images, and it may just become a real part of your life. It could be overcast totally, which wouldn't be any good, but if the cloud's broken, well, the cloud will, add some dynamic range. Well, this looks like the perfect place to come and do our shoot. Let's have a look at the scene. Now that's giving me a very clear view of what I want to get this escarpment up. We're going to look at travel photography. Now, travel photography is one of the most fantastic things you can do. Head chin down a little bit. Well, I hope you found that exciting. It really is a great course. If you've got an SLR camera and you want to learn how to use it properly, and if you want to take fantastic images, I'll take you right through step by step how to get them. Don't forget, this is the course. It's a 6-DVD course, so you can rewind me at any stage if you don't quite understand something, because you actually come on live shoots with me for fashion, for landscape, for travel photography, for all types of photography. So I hope you'll enjoy the course. And to order it, just click that Buy Now button now.